Hello, yes. So I know you're on this page because you saw something about ad targeting. You want ad targeting, just ad targeting. Good. Now let me explain to you how this works. For ad targeting, this is what we would need. Number one, we would need the correct login details for your account. Okay, the exact correct login details for your account. We would need that. Okay, good. Now, aside the login details, now this is not just IG. One that for IG and also Facebook, right? So after this, then also another thing we are going to do is we are going to set up three different sets of targeting for you. We're going to set up two on your IG and then one on your Facebook, right? All these three must be correctly set up by us before anything. Lastly, we're going to give you a guide. This guide is what you would use to run the ads, right? A guide that you would use and say, okay, let me follow this to run the ads. The targeting will be on your account and that will be it. Now, please, I just want to put this note out there. I'm only going to be charging you for this targeting, yeah? But if you have any other error or issue with your account, we would let that be known to you, yeah? So say, for example, maybe you have a bill that they need to clear on your account. Then we'll tell you, okay, you have paid us for targeting price. The amount to clear the bill will be X. So if your bill is 1,000, we'll tell you we'll use so and so to clear your 1,000 naira bill. Yeah. Another thing is we're going to set up, because I don't know if you have this already, we're going to set up what we call a prepaid ad account. With a prepaid ad account, you don't have those usual issues you have when you are using cards to pay for ads, right? With prepaid, you load the money into your account, and then that money is what you use to then run the ads. Okay, so what you're going to do is you would have the prepaid ad account, and on that ad account, that is where we'll put all the targeting that we'll be setting up. Do you understand? So you're going to get the prepaid and also the targeting set up for your account. Both of them bundled together is what you get on this service. Yeah, good. Now, if you have any other account error at the point where we log in and we see it, we would let you know, right? And we would let you know what it would be. We would have to bill you what it would cost to solve that advertising error on your account. I don't want to hide anything at all, and that's why I'm letting you know all of these heads up, because we're only going to be billing you for the targeting. Targeting only is what we are billing you for on this service, right? So there's going to be a button below. That button below is going to lead you to a payment page. On that page, there will be account details, and then also there'll be a way to transfer, right? The minute your transfer is done, we will get a notification, you will get a notification, and there'll be an IG handle. The login details, you DM them to that IG handle, and that is how we'll do the entire full setup for you. Now, don't forget also that the targeting setup is at this discounted price for only the next 7 people. After 7 people, the offer is gone. So please, after 7 people, you are going to see that when you refresh this page, it will be gone. So you don't want to miss out on this offer now. Click that link below and I'll see you there.